Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Janice Bermudez from Section B. Today I will show you how to cook Adobo Chicken Feet. As you can see, I already prepared all the ingredients that we needed for our recipe today. First, let's get the pan ready and put some oil until the oil is ready. And then let's put some onion and garlic together with sili labuyo. Spices is ready. Let's put the chicken feet. Then let's put 1/2 cup of soy sauce. Then put vinegar. Then put paminta seeds. Together with paminta leaves. Don't forget to put water. And lastly, put magic syrup. Let's cover the pan and let's wait 5 minutes. Hi guys, I'm back. We're going to check the chicken feet if it's already done. So guys, it's already done, so let's eat now. So this is the finished product of Adobo Chicken Feet. Thank you for watching.